In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Listeo, that is directory and listings with booking WordPress theme. Look at some features of this. It's all-in-one WordPress directory theme with front-end user dashboard, built-in booking system, and so on. So to download this script, use our affiliate link in the description to download the script. After downloading the script, I come straight to my dashboard. Then from my dashboard, I go to appearance. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. As you can see, this is the default theme. That's why it is easy to customize. Look at the other ones, they are not. So now I'm going to add a new theme. Add new theme. I click on add new theme. Next, I upload the theme. Then I choose file because the file is already on my system. Please use the IME link in the description so I am to help you install the theme. Then I go to download because my file is in download. Okay, I double click to open it. Here is it. Then I select this, then click on open. Next, I click on install now. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Then next, I click on is activate. So next, I click on let's go. Again, click on let's go again. So I scroll down, continue. So it's going to install all the necessary plugins. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Next, I click on continue. It's time to insert some default content for your WordPress website. Okay, so it's installing the default content. Then next, you want to customize the theme. I click on continue. I click on continue again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels. And if this video is helpful, please use the buy me coffee link in the description to buy me coffee. You're almost there, but let me click on install. Let me click on back. I'm skipping this process, so skip this step. So we have successfully uploaded the theme. So view, I click on view your new website. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install the theme. We have successfully installed my theme. As you can see, here is this theme. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.